Network issues are among the problems that you may encounter every now and then. Sometimes they're pretty minor, but there are instances wherein they seem to be unfixable. When it comes to the mobile data service, if a problem occurs, it is always possible that it's an account or a network-related concern. Anyhow, you still need to troubleshoot your phone, as you may be able to fix it on your own. In this video, we will show you what to do if the mobile data service no longer works on your Samsung Galaxy S21. First solution: make sure mobile data is enabled. If you're simply having issues sending or receiving MMS, or if the mobile data service randomly stops working, then the first thing you have to do is to refresh the connection of your phone to your service provider's network. Here's how it's done. Swipe down from the top of the screen using 2 fingers. Look for the mobile data icon and then tap on it to enable it. If it's already enabled, then disable it. After a few seconds, tap on it again to re-enable it. Once you've done that, try to see if the problem still occurs. Second solution: force restart your phone. It is also possible that such a problem is just due to a minor system glitch. That's why if the first solution fails, what you have to do next is to refresh the memory of your device as well as reload all its services. You can do both by performing the forced restart, which simulates battery removal. Here's how it's done. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds. This will trigger your device to shut down and power back up. When the logo shows, release both keys and allow it to continue the boot process. Once the reboot is finished, try to see if the mobile data service is now working properly. Third solution: reset the network settings of your device. If the forced restart doesn't fix the problem either, then you have to troubleshoot the network services of your device. It's possible that one or a couple of those services stopped working. That's why the mobile data service is no longer working. To rule this possibility out, you have to reset the network services of your phone. Here's how. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset to view the reset options. Tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings, and if prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset to proceed with the network settings reset. After doing that, try to check if the mobile data service is now working properly. Fourth solution: call your service provider. After doing the first 3 solutions and the mobile data service is still not working on your Galaxy S21, then the problem may not be on your phone but with your account or even with the network. That's why if the problem continues to bug you even after doing the previous solutions, you have to call the tech support of your service provider. If it's an account-related problem, then more often than not, the representative will be able to help you fix it. However, if it's a network problem, then you'll be given a time frame as to when the issue will be fixed, and all you can do is wait. We hope that this simple troubleshooting guide can help you one way or another. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.